Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to log into the Public Bank app. First, make sure you have the official Public Bank app installed on your smartphone or tablet. You can find it in your device's app store. Before you begin, it's helpful to have your user ID and password readily available. This will make the login process smooth and quick, getting you into your account without any hassle. Let's get started. If this is your first time using the app, you'll need to register your account. Look for the Register or First-Time Login option on the main screen. The app will then guide you through a secure verification process, which might involve entering some personal details or a one-time password sent to your registered phone number. Once verified, you can set up your new, strong password. Remember to choose a unique password for enhanced security. For regular logins, the process is straightforward. Simply open the Public Bank app and you'll see the login screen. Enter your registered user ID into the first field. Then, carefully type in your password, ensuring accuracy with any uppercase or lowercase letters. After entering both credentials, tap the Login button. You should then be granted access to your account dashboard, where you can manage your banking needs. If you encounter any issues logging in, don't worry. A common solution is to use the Forgot Password option, which will guide you through resetting your credentials securely. If problems persist, it's always best to contact Public Bank's customer support directly. They can provide personalized assistance. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep a breeze, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.